And also in the chapter on percent of change in lesson 5, we're talking about percent of something that changes, either goes up or down. But we can also talk about the percent of error in an estimation. And so if we're looking at something that we're estimating, we're going to take the amount of error, so we're going to take the difference of how much you guessed and then what the actual was, and it's a ratio over the actual amount. And so there are 4 formulas you need to know in this chapter. And so let's go through this here and look at example 3 on page 146. And this is an example of amount of error. So we're estimating, in which we do a lot in percents. Okay, Ahmed wants to practice 3 free throws. He estimates the distance from the free throw line to the hoop and marks it with a chalk. Ahmed's estimate was 13 and a half feet, 13.5 feet. That's what he estimated it. The actual distance, you need to pull this stuff out, would be 15 feet, is 15 feet. And so you need to find the percent of error. And so the percent of error is you are going to subtract 15 minus 13.5 over the actual amount. So the amount of error over the actual, and the actual is 15 feet. And so when you subtract the numerator, you're going to get 1.5 over 15, and stop, drop, divide that. And you're going to have it as 1.1, but we got to write it as a percent, so we're going to move it over, and it's 10% of error. And so he made a mistake by the actual estimate and the guess by 10%. So there are 4 formulas that you need to know and use. Thank you.